Hi, welcome to class. My name is Flo. So happy you're here. Thank you so much for tuning in. You can use the chapters below to skip the intro and go straight to the practice if you want to. This is just a super short full body movement practice I recommend doing in the mornings, especially on those days where you can't really make the time to do a full 30-minute or 60-minute practice. So we're still touching on a lot of areas, but it's very condensed, very short. And so let's just jump right into it. We start in boat pose. Come onto the mat or the carpet or the floor. We lift the feet, point the toes, reach the arms forward. Boat pose. Let's take a moment here to arrive. Lengthen through the spine, breathe slow and deep through the nose. And for the whole practice, try to keep the lips sealed, so you're only breathing through the nose. Let's connect the fingertips. We do several rounds of Russian twists. We rotate the arms, reach the arms forward, to the right, down to the ground, then to the left. 2 to the right, 3 to the left, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Back to boat, reaching forward. We place the right foot down at the front of the mat, and we use the left hand to support ourselves on the ground as we come forward and up and step the left foot back for a crescent lunge. Big step back, bend both knees, and reach both arms up. Move the left heel more forward, so you're also stretching out the soles of the left foot, the bottom of the left foot, and then we start to lower the left knee down to the ground, almost touching, and lift up. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Crescent lunge. We hold it, engage the left glute to open the left front hip even more. Breath is nice and slow through the nose. And let's step the left foot forward for chair pose at the front of the mat. Reach both arms up. Lift your heels up so you're high on the toes. Draw the navel in, strong through the big toes, up to the pelvic floor. Bend the knees, squat all the way down. Boat pose again. Connect the fingertips. And we do 5 more each side of the Russian twist. To the right, left. That's 2. To the right, 3, left, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Boat pose. Hold it. Now left foot down to the ground, right hand down, step the right foot back, crescent lunge, both arms up, left foot is forward. Bend both knees, reach the tailbone down, reach the fingertips up, lower the right knee down, almost touching, lift. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Crescent lunge. We enjoy this pose for a bit more. Engage the right glute. Open the right front hip. Notice all the sensations in your body. Breathe into them. Step the right foot forward. Chair pose. Keep the arms lifted. Send the hips back. Draw the belly in. Lift the heels so you're on the toes. Strong feet are so important. Two more deep breaths. And bend the knees, squat all the way down. Set the heels down, set the hips down. Butterfly pose, bring the soles of the feet together. Open the knees like a book. If you want to go deeper, bring the heels closer towards you. If you want to make it a bit more gentle and more accessible, bring the feet more forward. Grab the feet and fold forward and down. I invite you to round your back. Bring the chin to the chest. So we not only lengthen and stretch the lower body, but also the upper body, especially the superficial back line. So you want to almost curl into a little ball. Now we allow the breath to slow down, but you're still taking deep, slow breaths. Close your eyes already. Keep your eyes closed if you want. Slowly push yourself back up. We plant the feet back down on the ground. The hands come behind you, fingertips pointing towards your hips. Lift the hips up, reverse tabletop. Just lift the hips as high as you can. Breathe into the shoulders, especially the front side of the shoulders. Move the hips forward and back. And set the hips down. Sit down, cross your legs. Close your eyes. Place your hands onto the knees, sit tall, and just for a minute or so we sit here, alert, fully present, in a super short 1-minute meditation. Focus on the sensation of the air coming in through the nose with every breath in and out through the nose with every exhale. Slowly bring the hands to the heart, blink your eyes open. Thank yourself for showing up. I want to thank you for doing the practice with me today, and I hope I see you in one of my many other videos here on the channel. Have a fantastic rest of your day. Much love and gratitude. Peace.